Do you dream about snakes often? And does a dream about snake usually like it rattles you up? Maybe it's your worst nightmare that you usually have. Now, as you wake up, you may realize that it's not that scary, but while you are in that dream, it definitely was your biggest nightmare. Hi, I am Preeti, and today we are going to discuss about dreams about snakes. Okay, so try to watch this entire video. I do have something important to discuss, why you are getting this kind of dream and what you can do about it. Okay, so make sure that you watch this full video to get the full details. Okay, stay tuned. So there can be two reasons why you are getting the dream about snakes. It can be one or it can be both the reasons why you are getting the dream. Okay? So the first reason is the Kal Sarpa Dosh. According to Vedic astrology, there is a dosh, and the name of this dosh is Kal Sarpa Dosh. If you have the Kal Sarpa Dosh, whether it is full or it is partial, then you will have the dreams about snakes. Okay, you will often dream about snakes. If you have a partial Kal Sarpa Dosh, you may not have that many snake dreams, but yes, you will have some or the other snake dreams and it will terrify you. But if you have a complete Kal Sarpa Dosh, then definitely it's going to be like really scary for you, and yeah, you may have very often nightmares about snakes. So what is the Kal Sarpa Dosh? Kal Sarpa Dosh is where all your planets, according to Vedic astrology, if all your planets lie between Rahu and Ketu, that is where you will have a full Kal Sarpa Dosh. If it is a partial one, then maybe one or two planets or a few planets may be within the Kal Sarpa Dosh, within the Rahu and Ketu planet. So what can help you with this? There is a ceremony about Kal Sarpa Dosh. If you have that ceremony, it will definitely help you to lessen the effect of that dosha. And yeah, so having that ceremony can help you. Okay. The next is awakening Kundalini. If your Kundalini is going to awaken in future, you may have the dreams. You may have the dreams about snakes. So what's the connection here? See, Kundalini energy is also known as serpent fire, and Kal Sarpa Dosh is Sarp also means snake. So Kundalini awakening can also be a sign that your dreams are trying to tell you. The snakes in your dreams are trying to tell you. Okay, so that can also be a case. Now when you come to know that you may have a Kundalini awakening, okay, for some people it's like really scary, and if you are seeing a dream of snakes, you may actually be more scary because you have heard that it's dangerous, and if you have this kind of dreams, you may feel some kind of confirmation that you may be going through it in future. So how to handle, what to do next, because you don't want that kind of suffering. So in that case, I would like to say, try to watch my video on why is Kundalini dangerous. Okay, I have given some kind of solutions in that. Plus do watch my video on how to awaken Kundalini also. Okay, I have also discussed a few points there so that you can have a safe awakening. Okay, so see, doing different kind of practices can help you to prepare for awakening Kundalini such that it will not prove to be dangerous for you. Okay, so yeah, so that is the video for today. I hope that you like it. If you have liked this video, hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.